Hey y'all, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my braids. If you are interested, keep on watching. So I washed my hair last night. If you're wondering why I use thread on my hair, I use it because I don't use heat, and this is what I do to stretch them out. So I'm going to unravel and comb my hair out. I did part my hair off camera because I had a difficult time to do it. I'm in my bathroom. I held a mirror in front and turned my back in my bathroom mirror to make it more easier. When you're doing this braids, make sure you have a clean part. Once you start braiding, there is no going back, girl. Always have an extra mirror. This is the hair I'm going to use. This is the Xpression kanekalon hair. This hair is 80 inches long. I'm going to cut it in half like so. I'm taking one half, pull the ends so the braids won't be too even. This part is a must if you want your braid to last, or you can tighten it up with a rubber band. So here we are, splitting the hair in half, which means I'm going to make 4 braids out of one pack. I will be using 6 packs of hair. If you don't know how to braid with weave, I slow down the video so you guys can actually learn. I am splitting the hair again and cross it over. I'm going to use this gel called Shining Gem. This is my first time using it. I was hooked up, girl. I watch other YouTubers and I love the hold it gives to the hair. As of right now, my hair is a few days old and it's still holding on. I don't know if you watch my other videos. This gel is the gold, honey, period. I usually use Eco Styler gel, but this one is completely different from Eco Styler. So I'm about to create a ponytail with the small rubber band, and make sure you cover that rubber band when you start braiding. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. If you haven't subscribed, girl, hit that subscribe button right now and that bell so you can get notification when I upload a new video. Before I forget, if you wanted to see how I stretch my hair with thread like this, I do have a video. I'm gonna link it below. If you're interested in seeing it, you can click on it after watching this one. I didn't do my makeup because it was really late at night. It was like around 3, 4 in the morning. Girl, I know it's bad. I'm trying to sleep early. Y'all been seeing me with makeup anyways. I know y'all not gonna judge me. Plus, I'm beautiful, so thank you, baby. Negative comment, positive comment. Thank you so much. Right now, I'm done braiding my hair. I am going to dip in the braids in hot water. Be extra careful when using hot water, baby, because one thing you don't want to do is to burn yourself. Get you a towel to protect your skin. To finish up, I'm going in with my Lotta foam mousse to lay any flyaways. This is it, you guys. I love this hairstyle so much. I received lots of compliments. Ooh, period cool. I love me some inches. Okay, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your bestie or someone you know who would love to learn. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much.